What's up everyone? David Madrid with Infinite Lending. You won't believe the breathtaking luxury home tour that I'm gonna put together right now. Welcome to Union Park. Follow me, let's go. Hey guys, just got the blessing from the builder. I am at Dave Weekley up in Norterra, Union Pacific, and we're about to give you a home tour of this beauty real quick. Let me see if I can get the whole thing real quick. Let's get started. So beautiful, beautiful community, and we're gonna get rolling here. So look at these doors, amazing doors. Wow, look at the stunning beauty of a home we got going on here. So as we entered, it's a pretty big open concept that we got going on here. I'd probably enclose this, make it an office, or maybe just, I have kids, so this is definitely a big open space. We have a quick bathroom there. Let's see, what do we have on this side? All right, look at the laundry room. Big and spacious laundry room. I think this is gonna be locked on here. This is gonna be the entrance to the garage, so this is pretty cool. You have this particular section here to hang your stuff, coats, and oh yeah, shoes. And again, look at the space of this beautiful, beautiful home. Can you guys guess the price on this home? Because this looks amazing. Oh. Hi there. Oh, I'm just doing a quick video tour. I talked to Brittany. I did. I accidentally tried to, I thought I opened it to see if it was open. It was a garage. Sorry. All right, cool. So they, okay, a little bit busy here. Who do we got going on? They're gonna have to wait there. All right, so look at the, we got the beautiful, beautiful kitchen, the living room area. And let's go deeper in the kitchen real quick, because this is usually where we spend a lot of our time here. Big old pantry. This is amazing. And then for those of you that love cooking, double, oh, that's a it's a microwave. It's gonna be like a double oven. Whoa. So look at the amazing kitchen. And then settle a debate for me. We have a lot of homes that are electric. This one, look at this beauty, gas stove. So open concept, look at this kitchen. We got, you know, you can watch TV from here. Look at the dining area. All right, it's a beautiful, beautiful home. What do you guys think? Leave in the comments below. Leave in the comments below what you think this property is selling for. Let's walk to the backyard real quick. Oh yeah. So we got a small backyard, play pool, and a little fireplace action. But look at this, a nice grill area, and we'll make sure not to fall into the pool. And we got a nice hangout spot here. Now let's go back inside. I'm gonna wave here. What's up, everyone? All right, let's get to the bedrooms, see where we're at. So walking back in here, there's a lot of space down. Oh, actually there's a bedroom right here. So we got this living room. I'm gonna walk towards, this might be, what is this? Oh yeah, this is gonna be the master bedroom. Amazing, amazing home. Look at this. Big shower, there you go. We got the bathroom, his and hers. Let's see the size of the closet, let's go. Oh, quick bathroom there. Oh, I can zoom out here a little bit. Oh, that's all I got. And literally a walk-in closet. Now we head back. Let's head back to, let's actually go upstairs now and see what we got going on up there. I believe this is a 4-bedroom, so let's walk upstairs real quick. Oh, yes. Stairs are very sturdy. But, all right, we got, okay, maybe there is, oh, wow. Immediately, as soon as you go up the stairs to the left, you're gonna see this loft. Got family, kiddos, set them up here, turn it into a kid's room. Possibilities are there. Oh, let's head back this way. We got, looks like bedroom number 1 here. On the right, as soon as you go up the stairs. Big and spacious. This particular room has its own bathroom, so let's see if we can get a quick glimpse of all of this. All right, let's head back. What do we got here? Storage. All right, cool. All right, bedroom number 2 on the upstairs. Wow. And this one has its walk-in, just a quick walk-in closet. And then this one looks like it has a shared, does it have a shared bathroom? Yep, shared bathroom with bedroom number 3. There's bedroom number 3. And these bedrooms are really, really decent size. And again, there's 2 bedrooms that share a bathroom, and then the first bedroom does not, has its own bathroom. Now look at this community though, beautiful, beautiful community. Now that is we're gonna be looking at a community pool there. So there's some amenities here. Now let's head back. That's actually pretty much it. So what do you think of this home? It's a beautiful 4-bedroom home located in Norterra area off of I-17 and Happy Valley. This is a beautiful, beautiful home. Can you guess the price? Now, these homes are fully furnished model homes. There is homes, obviously you're gonna furnish your own home the way you want to. So this is a model home. So if you are looking to get pre-approved, I'm gonna leave the details of this particular property in the description. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. My contact information is below, and that is all I got for you. Now, go back to the description. Did you guess the price of this home correctly?